Hello everyone, this is my review of the Norelie FeetRenu Foot Soak. This foot soak is great for tired, achy feet. The combination of tea tree oil and Epsom salt provides a soothing and refreshing experience, helping to soften rough skin and relax sore muscles. It works wonders for cracked heels and dry feet, leaving them feeling hydrated and rejuvenated. Perfect for a spa-like experience at home. This foot soak is a must-have for anyone looking to pamper their feet after a long day. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.